Friends, hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In this video, I will tell you and show you how you can hide the number of likes under a certain post in your Instagram. Friends, please don't forget to put your likes under this video. Also write your comments and be sure to subscribe to the channel. So friends, let's get to today's topic and I'm going to show you the whole process from the beginning. So friends, when you open up Instagram and go to your page, here under every absolutely post, you will be able to see the number of likes. But how do you hide them? Well, you'll need to click on the three dots above the post on the top right, which will take you to the post settings. Then you will see the option Hide Likes. Click on that. And so, as you can see, instantly the number of likes has been hidden. And now when you open the post, you'll just see that there are likes, but your followers won't be able to see how many. It will say that it was liked by such and such person and others. And in order to find out the number of likes, you'll just have to count them. This is the way, friends, you can easily hide the number of likes under your Instagram post. Friends, I really hope that this video was useful and helpful to you. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also put your likes. Goodbye.